If you have always wanted to create rounded rectangles in GGPLOT chart, here we go. We're going to create a chart like this. So let's get started. We'll start with the basic chart. So these are the libraries. And here is the syntax or the script for a simple bar chart. So these are the libraries: ggplot2, ggtext, glue, and gt. And let's display the data on the screen. And here we go. Now let's run the actual plotting script, and it's going to create a bar chart for us. So this is our base chart, and we'll try to enhance it further. Now let's create another chart which will have rounded rectangles. So I'm going to repeat the same script which we have seen before. And this is some additional information on the theme, and we'll work on that once we complete our chart. And these are the title, subtitle, and the caption which I want to display. This is the script which you have already seen before. This is the new script. So I'm using element text box simple and filling it with the gold color, size, box color, horizontal alignment, etc. So this element text box comes from the ggtext command, and R is telling us that we want to have a rounded rectangle around our rectangle. So it'll round up the corners of the rectangle, and then padding, and then the margin. So in this, margin is important, that I'm giving a margin of 25 at the bottom. And these are our title, subtitle, and caption. So let's try to run this chart. And here we go. We have a rounded rectangle at the top and our title in it. So this is the actual element, and the color is gold, and the fill is controlled by this. And the most important is the R, which is rounding the corners. Now create another chart which will have all the bells and whistles, and mostly it will be the same script. We're going to repeat the similar script with minor changes for the caption. I'm using different colors. So this is the script for the caption. And then the subtitle, which appears below the actual title. And the x-axis title and the y-axis title. Notice that orientation is left rotated. That's important. So when we run it, we get something like this. So the title, subtitle, the caption, x-axis title, y-axis title are all having a rounded rectangle. And I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.